Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating Enhancement 7. So first of all, we'll log in, and then here is our user, and we'll go to the update account view, and then we'll verify the local HTML. It's green, so it looks good. Now we're going to update the name to admin223 and user1. Update the account. Congratulations. And then you see a new first name and last name. And then now we will update the new password. And then change. And then so it's success. And then we'll log out and try to log in again. And you see the old password is not working anymore. And then we have to log in with a new password. And so yeah, that is my Enhancement 7. Thank you for watching.